Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this Halloween smushy and nail stamp design. Use this neon orange by Oily called Melt Your Popsicle, pearly orange by Pure Ice called Gorgeous, and a beige by JBL Cosmetics called Bubblegum. So I'm going to apply the colors onto a sandwich bag. Now you can't see the sandwich bag because my background took over it, but I'm going to apply the colors. And I wanted to add the beige just to break up all the oranges. I wanted to do two different kinds of oranges, and by adding that beige, it just gave it a difference in the colors. Not all pumpkins are completely orange, so that's why I added the beige into it. Now I'm going to mix the colors together using a clear jelly stamper. Now don't go overboard because you want to be able to see the difference in the colors when you apply the smushy onto your nails. And I loved how this came out. It's really pretty and cute. Now I wanted to add a Halloween stamp design. So using my Pueens Halloween Party stamp design, I applied black polish onto this spooky looking pumpkin design. And I placed on my nails. I loved how this look came out. I really do like that nail plate too. It picks up really well. It's a fun Halloween nail plate. Now, once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and cleaned around my nails. Now, removing it took me a little while, but I cleaned around my nails. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video as much as I liked making it. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.